situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
Fuck the headphones.
When there is a threat of or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee.
Nice. Catching this in my dad's room, where I put this loud over there in. He's probably gonna get pissed or scared if this thing goes off in the warning.
Looking at the latest weather maps, high pressure will remain in.
Yep. That's another requirement of the test. Will I ever get another warning? Maybe December might bring in some luck.